Looking for bedding that keeps your kids warm and cozy on chilly nights while adding a splash of fun to their room? Our microfiber kids sheets deliver exactly that: soft, breathable comfort wrapped in playful designs your children will love. Whether your child dreams of racing cars, exploring space, or diving under the sea with mermaids, these sheets bring imagination to bedtime without sacrificing quality. What sets these sheets apart is the premium 100% polyester microfiber fabric. At 90 GSM, it's soft to the touch, extra warm, and hypoallergenic, ideal for sensitive skin. The material is designed to breathe, so your child stays comfortable all night long. Plus, these sheets resist fading, shrinking, wrinkles, and stains, meaning they look fresh and vibrant wash after wash. And with fully elastic fitted sheets featuring deep pockets, they fit mattresses up to 14 inches thick without slipping or bunching. I gifted these sheets to my 8-year-old granddaughter, who adores cats. When she saw the kitty-themed set, she squealed with joy and wanted to use them immediately. After a quick wash, the sheets held up beautifully, no fading or pilling, making bedtime something she looked forward to. That's the kind of quality and fun you can trust. Available in twin, full, queen, king, and California king sizes, each set includes flat and fitted sheets plus pillowcases sized perfectly for your mattress and pillows. With a variety of designs, cars, princesses, football, and more, there's something for every personality. These sheets aren't just bedding. They're a way to make bedtime more inviting and comfortable for your kids. If you're ready to upgrade your child's sleep experience with sheets that combine durability, softness, and playful style, these microfiber sets are worth a look. They're easy to care for, affordable, and crafted with responsibly sourced materials that don't compromise on comfort. Try them when you're ready and see the difference a quality sheet set can make.